Hello ladies and gents. There's gentlemen watching too. This is my update for Turn and Burn. I love the idea of this because it's to basically literally something that you're close to using up, or your samples, deluxe samples, whatever. You have a month to use this up. So I am excited about this. I did have a success the first month. I grabbed stuff out of the bag and used it up and stuff like that. So let's this is a year-long project, so basically you're using up at least roughly around 4 items a month. So, and you can do more if you want to. I'm focusing on 4 right now just to keep it manageable and I'm not overwhelmed. Because yeah, I can say, oh, I want to do this and this and this and this and this, and then I have too much. Right now, roughly, project painting wise, I have roughly about over 200 items I am working on this year. So with that in mind, because, and how I can judge is because I use I have these the little circle things on these sheets. There's 300 and some that's in a package, and I've used all of them from this package. So there was over 300 that have been marked for me to pan, because like I said, I do little things and they're marked to turn and burn, things like that. So but like I said, if I have it for another project like my Menage a Polish, you know, every month I switch those out, things like that. So roughly over 200 items I am working on this year alone. I bought another package because as I use up stuff and it goes away, of course I mark new things or new projects that I work on. The pups are picking on me because they know I'm filming. So anyway, for Turn and Burn, it's like basically just select samples, something that you know that you really want to burn and bust through for the month. So for this month, for January, I had 4 items. One of them was the Tatcha primer. I got a whole bunch of them. It was a little sample of the Tatcha primer. That is done. Trash. The Organics Orchid shampoo and conditioner. I actually told a friend of mine because she just finished hers up. I was like, if I'd known, I would have sent you these samples because they're not one of my favorites, but they were there. I wanted to use them up. The Organics, OGX, I guess not Organics, or OGX. I wouldn't buy Orchid. There's other ones that I have that I love by them and stuff like that. The Tatcha primer, I like it, but I like my L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base just as well. And to me, it's the same. So I can't really tell a difference between the two of them. So I'll stick to my L'Oreal, which is a fraction of the cost. This is going to be on my list though. The Acqua di Gio perfume. I have the sample. I love this one. This one I will purchase full size. Not right now because I'm trying to go through a lot of perfumes right now. I have perfumes and projects. I have a bunch. Like I have a whole bag of stuff. So, but this is one of those I definitely every time I see it in the store, I eyeball it. I'm like, but at my local Walgreens, we carry it. We carry the real Acqua di Gio. I'm waiting for it to go on sale. When it goes on sale, I may buy it. I'll be honest. I can't say no. It's just how it is. The other one is the Air Repair eye cream. It's a deluxe sample. It was okay. I have other eye cream that I really like better. And the sad part is I haven't even been doing an eye cream in my skincare, so I need to put another eye cream in my skincare to use up because I haven't been doing it. Oh, yes, I have. I take that back. I have been using eye cream. It is in my Valentine project. So, it is in another project. It's just not as good as the eye cream that I really want to use. But I'm trying to use up all the other stuff and stick to my loves. My holy grails, my loves, my happy place ones. So it was okay, but it didn't do it. It's not replacing my number 1 or my number 2 or my number 3. But it's not bad. It's hydrating. If you want it for hydrating, it's great. So on to February's Turn and Burns. I was doing inventory with my eyeshadow palettes. writing them down, figuring out how many I had. Not a good topic. Such not a good topic. But a friend of mine, she was laughing. I went through 2 totes of my eyeshadow palettes. 2 totes. Two boxes. Yeah, of eyeshadow palettes. I still have more eyeshadow palettes that are not listed yet. And I'm up to quite a bit. But this one I pulled out, and this is going to be my turn and burn for this month. So, it is the Maybelline Eye Studio. I've had it for almost a decade. That's all that's left in there. And they're the cream shadows. A lot of times I use them as base or accents and stuff like that. I just literally finished one of them because I had to put it over here because I'm like, I need to use this up. And then these 2, hopefully I can finish at least one more this month and probably the next one the next month. If not, finish them both this month. So that's my one turn and burn. The next one, I kind of drew them out of my bag. I have a bag of like stuff that I want to get used up. Get out of here. This is one, I have multiple samples of this. I don't know why I keep getting it. I don't want it. It's the Pantene Foam Conditioner Deluxe sample, or I don't know, sheer volume. I've got a bunch of these. But this is, I want to use it up this month. Get one of those. The next one is, I don't like these. I have them. I think it's because I had a coupon. They were $1.29. I had $1 off coupon for these. So I paid 29 cents for this. So they are the Almay eye makeup remover pads. They're brand new. See, never been opened. They're okay. Don't get me wrong. I don't like the size of them too, for my eyes and stuff. I'm a more of a use my cotton pad and use my micellar water and stuff. So this one, I want to use these up this month, and there are 15 of them, so I should. I may use them for my swatches on my hands. I don't know, but they gotta go. And then another thing, this one I might be contradicting myself. So this is the Monoconor Miracle Balm Step 1. Oh, it's a prime. Is it a prime? Is it a lip prime or a primer? Anyway, hold on. I covered up probably the directions to it. If it's a lip balm, crap. I have a lip balm treatment that I want to use up in my lip service because gosh darn it, multi-purpose essential balm moisturizes dry lips, cuticles. Oh, okay, I can use on cuticles and areas desired for. Let's move this down. So this little guy, we can use it. Additional moisture relief. This might be for the top of my toes because the top of my toes are dry. Around my toenails and all that. That's probably TMI, but this little guy, yeah. So those are the 4 items for my turn and burn. This is a collab with the Fantastic Ladies. Amanda and Jessica created it. It's all year long. So about the first of the month, end of the month, whichever. This is what it is. So these are the 4 items for the month. I did finish the other 4. I did complete. I used them all up. If I can do that with these, I will feel so wonderful. Like I said, this isn't a sample. I know one. If I do get one finished, I will be happy with this. If I get 2, there'll be a happy dance. Happy dance. Because it'll be 1 palette out of my collection. So I will feel like, yay. And I know that sounds so bad, but I have the 2 totes that I've logged and inventoried. It was 167 or 172 eyeshadow palettes. I have more. I'm not done logging everything. So I will easily hit over 200. We might hit 300. So I must pan. And I have friends doing no buys. I have friends doing low buys. And I thought I could do a low buy. I actually texted a friend today and said, I don't think I can do a low buy even. Because I walked in and found something that I had to have and I had to buy it. And I found something I had to have for her. So I had to buy it. So I'm finding that I need to use up what I have. I need to go through. So if I'm going through, you know, I have 200 some, 300 things marked to use up this month. I'm not going to use up 300 items. I used up, for my empties, I used up 36, 46 items. Something like that. Okay, that's good. That's a sixth, roughly a sixth of what I have that I'm planning to use. I want to keep using it. Is it a sixth of my collection? No. No. But I'm going through product. I'm using product. I'm enjoying my product. I'm not stressing it. There is one item I was just talking about, like eye mask and stuff. Yes, I am stressing about eye mask. Face mask. Face mask. Eye mask, easy. Lip mask, easy. Face mask, don't like sheet mask. But I have a bunch back here. A thing full. And there's more. There's a bag of them somewhere that I moved and I still haven't found it. It's a gray and black bag. I know what the bag looks like. It's a nice big cosmetics bag, about this big, full of masks. And I haven't found it. So I have two big things of masks. But anyway, on to it. Turn and burn. We're going to go use these up. Because I have, and if you see it in my other thing, my weekly project pan, I mean, this stuff's full. And it's full just of stuff I want to use up. So that is the plan. And certain things I do declutter to friends. I have friends that like certain lotions that I do not like. I have some stuff that I have duplicates that I have not touched, and I have decluttered them to friends I know that will appreciate it and enjoy them. But I cannot just declutter and throw something away unless it has gone bad. So this turn and burn, we're gonna do this. So everybody have a wonderful day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Comment below if you want to comment below. Hopefully I will talk to everybody soon. Bye.